Well, in this video I'm going to test power, frequency stability and harmonics of this QYT CB-58, and it's already connected with an attenuator to the power sensor of this power meter. By legislation is 4 watts and is giving 420, so it's working properly in that sense. Now I'm going to connect to the spectrum analyzer. Well, now I already set up to measure the harmonics, and we can check if pass the compliance of FCC or European legislation. We will see. Well, the radio, an attenuator, BNC, 40 dB, and well, I already set up the spectrum analyzer. So the second harmonic is 52 dB down, 52.35 dB down respect to the fundamental, to the carrier. So having in account that we have a 40 dB attenuator, it means this radio doesn't pass no FCC, no European legislation, because it's like 8 dB height that should be like 8 dB higher that should be, and in Europe should have the harmonic minus 54 dB. The second harmonic, because entered in a very restricted area, so is far, it's like 40 dB up that should be in European countries. So obviously it's a no pass, is like 6,000 times higher than should be. So yes, I'm going to check just to be sure that there is no something in the setup that is invalidating the measurement, but I will use also the CRTU that has the same measurements that this spectrum analyzer, power meter and all that, just to confirm, because it's a very bad result. So I thought that this radio would be quite nice, but the second harmonic is too high. Alright, you can see here again. There. No, very good. Now frequency precision and stability a little. Should be 801.25, 79. Well, I'm going to repeat the test in the CRTU, so especially the harmonics, because as you see, this is a RF port, input RF port that can accept 50 watts, so I don't need any kind of attenuation, so we remove any possibility of reflected power in some accessory or whatever. So we can see it there. It's the same. No power, white band. It's starting to be the battery a little low, so it's normal. And in narrow frequency is 36. So it's alright. And the frequency but yes, is telling the same than the other equipment. Is 600 Hertz displaces the signal. So yes, it's not very clean, the radio, or doesn't pass. Obviously, I know this equipment measured properly. It's not, but it's not calibrated, formally calibrated, and also I know a certified laboratory. But it looks that this radio is not clean enough, especially for Europe. Just a point of view. I won't measure anymore any other parameter like reception, because I don't think it's needed. I tell you it's good. So just wanted to show that is what the people normally cannot test.